Hi, I'm Nicole Hemrick, and I'm the managing partner at Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC. Today, I'd like to talk about what happens if you overstay your visa in the United States. There are two very different possibilities here. One is that nobody's paying attention to the fact that you're here, and you just stay here, hang out, you don't have any status, but you're here in the United States. On the opposite side, there is the possibility that U.S. immigration officials are aware that you're here and they choose to issue you a notice to appear in immigration court, and then you'll have to defend yourself against removal, that is deportation. So what is the problem, given that courts are overcrowded? Maybe you can just hang out here for a long time. What is the problem with overstaying your status? The problem is it really knocks out most immigration options for you. If you wind up having an employer who would like to sponsor you for a work visa or a green card as an employee, that is most likely not going to be an option for you, because to change to a working visa or working green card status, you have to be maintaining status in the United States in most circumstances. There are some nuances and exceptions to this rule. Also, you're not going to be eligible for most family-based green cards. The only family-based green cards you'd be eligible for if you've overstayed your time in the United States are those that are initiated by a petition from an immediate relative. And an immediate relative is only a U.S. citizen who happens to be a spouse, a son or daughter over 21, or if you are under 21, a U.S. citizen parent. Also, you may still be eligible for asylum. For asylum, you have to apply for asylum generally within 1 year of your entry to the United States. And you may be eligible for something called cancellation of removal, but for that, you have to be in the United States for 10 years at least before an NTA, that is a notice to appear, is issued to you, and you have to have a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, spouse, parent, or child who would suffer exceptional and extremely unusual hardship if you were deported from the United States. And you can only make this application if you happen to be in removal proceedings. So the vast majority of options become unobtainable to you if you overstay your time in the U.S. Therefore, we urge you, if it looks like you're going to be running out of time, to speak to an immigration attorney about what your options would be so that you can maintain lawful status in the United States. If you would like to talk about this or any other immigration issues, reach us at 833-848-7838.